Hello traders, hope you are all doing good. So day before yesterday only we put a video that markets are likely to go to 17,000. Not a single person. Everyone was saying market will go, it will touch lifetime high. Where it is going to touch lifetime high? When I was saying it is not going to go up, everybody was laughing at me. When I told FIs are selling very heavily, they are into something, they know something that we don't know, everybody was laughing at me. So every time I was telling the facts, people were laughing at me, and see what has happened. This is the reality. You have to think in a different way. You cannot think just because somebody is saying market will hit lifetime high, it will touch 20,000 or 30,000. It is not going to happen. And you see the impact today from yesterday's close, which is 17,536. Today's low around 17,536 points, around 550 points down in Nifty in one trading session. And B.Nifty, we don't even want to talk. 1,500 points down from yesterday's close. Today's close around 1,400 or 500 points close. Not a single stock. Reliance, this, all heavyweights. Everybody was selling. No put writing, only call writing. Active call writing I was seeing call writing from 17,000, even 17,200 to 17,500. And the impact cost today, that gap, 15,000, 17,350 to 17,500, it is not going to be very easy to fill that gap. So it is going to be very hard. And many people talk about coronavirus, that new variant and all. I don't think so. That's just a half an hour thing. Otherwise, just FIs want a reason, good reason to take the market down, and they found this reason and just hit the sell button. So selling was so vigorous that not a single stock was in the green. All the stocks were in the red. So in 2020, whoever invested even without any knowledge of stock market, they would have made money, but not now. It is not going to happen. So whenever I was talking about the fact, whenever I was telling that this is going to happen, so everybody trolled me. They told, you don't know about the market. You don't think like that. You think I am just sitting here without knowing anything in the market. And social media is a place where everybody will give you advice, and don't give me advice. I know what I am doing, and I know where the market is going to go. That's what I told. So everybody was bullish. I was the only person who was bearish, and I proved everybody wrong. So I'm not arrogant. I'm just telling the fact. So that who is talking what. So I'm not going to make this video very length. I know it is a very frustrating day, and many would have lost money, and if someone would have shorted the market, they would have made money today. And I was not expecting this big gap down. I was expecting 17,000 to hit, but I was not expecting this big gap up. That big gap down, that big gap down created a small loss. Anyway, that is manageable loss. Otherwise, if market would have come slowly and steadily, we would have made good money. Anyway, that is not an issue. We will sort it out. Tomorrow. So going forward, what I see is that markets are likely to correct furthermore. I was expecting around 10 to 20%. Already we have covered 8%, and just around 200 or 300 points to cover. If we cover that, it's going to be 10%. From 18,600, market has come to 17,000. So that's somewhere around 7.5 or 8%. Another 200 points, 16,700 or 16,800 would be 10% correction. So 10% correction is a normal correction, and even though it is a normal correction, what the problem is that the correction is very steep, fast, very steep, and selling is very ruthless, or very sharp selling is happening. That is the thing which we have to take into consideration. So if markets are able to correct in 2 days, I don't know, maybe there is further downfall, or we should expect at least 20% correction. So if the 10% correction, the first 10% correction was very slow, then we can say, okay, market is going to correct another 5% or even 2%. But 10% correction itself is fulfilled in 2 or 3 days, means another 10 to 15% correction is on the way. That is what I think. So let's see how things pan out, but 16,000, at least 10% correction should happen. So another 200 or 300 points after that happens, we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen. And I don't want to talk about the retail thing. Retailers would have sold heavily. Nothing to talk much about retail. FIIs would have sold heavily, and they have been selling for all these years, and all these months I have been telling you, FIIs are selling, and they are not stopping at anything. They are selling everything. Each and every rise they are started selling. So they would have sold today also. DIIs would have also sold today. DIIs anyway, they will not match the FII selling figures, right? So we'll see. As I told you, there is aggressive call writing from 17,200 to all the way to 17,500, and Bank Nifty is completely different story. Going forward, as I told you, we'll see how. We'll have to wait and see how the markets span out. The why I am talking very low is because you don't think I lost huge money and all. I didn't lose anything today. In fact, we made profit last month also, in spite of market moving 1,500 points in a two-way move. We thought October was two-way, three-way move. Even November was two-way, three-way move. So yesterday was expiry. We made money last month also. So I don't want to show today. We'll see tomorrow what happens today. And I'm sure many would have lost today heavily. That is normal. Don't worry about that. Markets are market. It will show its real color. You just have to focus on strategies, how you can improve your strategies, or how you can make your strategies, enhance your strategies, right? So nothing to worry about. Don't panic. Always do a hedged position. And one person called yesterday or day before yesterday, I think so, he has sold 17,300, and market, I don't know what happened to him. So that is the problem of naked put selling. So he has sold naked put option. So I don't know what is going to happen to him. Let us see how things pan out. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.